In the calm, cool forest of Western Canada, many creatures live in this environment, from under our feet to the branches of the trees. But living here is a species likely left unknown. The predaceous Scorponok. Similar to Earth's natural porcupines, these creatures can only be tamed by a giant mouth in space. With its shredding claws, dagger-like tail, and more eyes to see your bull, they're a compact package of danger. Most animals would be wise to avoid it, but wait, what's this? It's another Scorpoding-dong doofus. Their eyes meet for the first time, and as they approach, the chill vibes stir, a sort of mating ritual. Let's witness the captivating and complex dance of their bodies. Remarkable. After 9 months, babies. Next time on Canadian Wildlife Whatevers, the all-new Chevy Silverado.